Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Killer car, guys. I actually owned this car before. I just took it back in on trade. Real good customer of mine. Him and I do about a trade a year. We just did some horse trading here, but great car. I originally got this car from a gentleman out of Georgia. Factory color combination, Burgundy Mist metallic. It's actually got the original black convertible top with a black vinyl interior. Great car, man. This car is just a sweetheart. It was restored, complete body up restoration done about 8 years ago. There's just over 4,000 miles on the restoration. Very nicely done, and just a good car, man. This is the kind of car you just jump in, turn the key, and take it cruising. Love the color combination. Wish there was a little sun out here for us, but chrome and stainless is really nice. Paint on the car is slick. Chrome's nice. Little bug there, guys. It's got the factory louvered hood. Love this body style, man. Got something on there. I don't know what that is. That comes right off. I'm not really sure what it is. It might have been spray wax or something. The guys were waxing and missed it. Top's in great shape. Power top. It's got factory tinted glass. You can see how the glass fits up nice on a convertible top. You can nitpick this. You can see it's kind of hazed over the years, but it's the original top. Good, solid, straight body. I mean, just a good car. Nice and straight down the sides. I didn't see where they had changed any body panels on the car. I love, it's got some big meats on the rear. Those are BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch chrome SS1 wheels. Yeah, this is a great looking body style. I'm gonna burn this right there. Yeah, it's cold. I got gloves on. Almost there. A little touch-up mark. Slick paint on the car. Like I always tell people, it's as real as you can. You can't break these cars down through the VIN in '67, so it's as real as you're going to possibly find without a build sheet, without a protective plate or a window sticker. It's got the very rare 442. It only came in 442s, 400 engine, and it also has the big thing on the firewall, which is the 5VY, which is the 442 connotation. Power steering, power brakes. 400 turbohydramatic trans. You can see it's got an Edelbrock intake on it. Stock exhaust manifolds. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Pretty car, man. Just a gorgeous car. Yeah, you see that, guys? Just a wax. I bet you they sprayed some wax and missed it. Glass is nice on the car. Again, louvered hood is factory in '67 for the 442. Those are hard hoods to find right there. A-pillar chrome, pretty doggone nice. It's original. You can pick it a little bit, but man, that's pretty doggone nice. Factory correct chrome mirrors. Those are probably, the car's only got 80-some thousand original miles. It's probably the original door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Factory black interior. This very well could be the original interior, guys. You can see all the interior lights work. Factory bucket seats with console. It is a power top. Tilt column. Steering wheel's nice. A little crack there. Gauges are nice and clean. Yeah, it just turned 85,000. It's got a Retrosounds radio, power top, power antenna. I believe this thing's got a power. I don't see the switch, but it looks like it's got a power trunk release on it too. Oh, a little cord hanging down. That's a plug-in for the radio for your iPad. I think it said 400 trans, dual exhaust, factory 307 posi rear end in it with a rear sway bar. Jack with spares in the trunk here. The boots in the trunk. It's all spackle coated like it should be. Seams are nice and crisp. Again, power rear antenna. That's power trunk release. I have to look up where that is. Nice car. Clean underneath. As always, I'll have photos on our website. On the bottom of the car. Yeah, door seams nice and clean. I'd say those door pads are original. This is just a good, honest, straight old car right here. You can see all the door lights work. It's got all the correct 442 mats in it. Seats have had to been redone. These are too nice. I mean, the padding and everything is just too nice. They've had to redone those. Gauges are nice and clean. Factory center console. No big camera, anything. You see the choke works. Great car. Fun weekend cruiser right there. Fuel gauge does work. Really everything else is just lights. Doors open and close nice. See it just kicked down right there. That's just a good car. Radio works, blower motor works. And everything opens and closes nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That is a sweetheart right there. love the color. I wish we had some sun. We got a little light popping through there, but slick paint. Love the wheels.